so I'm at Target right now, and I'm gonna be looking for some interesting stuff to do, and I'm gonna be showing you guys. So let's go. I don't know what to get. Like, there's so many interesting stuff. I do have. Ooh, we're in this really cute section. Guys, look at these glitters. Oh my god. Hold on, let me show you. These glitters are so cute and they're like so tiny. But they're like for the Christmas season, and like Christmas is over. This is like a Fitbit for $5, bro. $5. They're the bomb. There's like, ooh, and there's jewels. I didn't even see that. There's like pink glitter. It's like so cute. I might be able to put this in my slime, guys. So I might be able to put those. Guys, there's people, and I was very like disturbed, so I just went like this.
No, it's okay.
Okay, look, I feel like this one. I don't know why I got. I feel like these glitters would be good for slime. Can I get them? Yay! And they're only $1, so. Just found fuzzy socks, which are really good. So, hold on. Let me show you the phone I want, and I'm never gonna get. So, guys, I love this phone. Or this phone. This is the iPhone XS, which is a lot smaller and like better for my hands. And my mother will not let me have it. I don't know why. And then this one is the iPhone XR. This one off, and I'm walking as fast as I can right now, and you know I'm shaking. No, I'm not shaking because I did nothing wrong. I was just looking at it. I picked it up a little bit, and then that's it. And then they wanted to attack me like that. And I'm just checking out some toys that I got, and I'm paying for them myself. I got some socks that I already showed you. Today we are gonna do a Target haul / Dollar Tree haul. So I'm gonna show you my Target haul first, and then I'm gonna show you my Dollar Tree haul. So here's the bag. This is a Target bag, and I already showed you this, but I bought 4 fuzzy socks. They have like stripes, they have the word love on it, they have XOXO, and they have hearts. Okay, so then we have Party Pop Teenies. We also have it's like for like jewelry, and it says you and me forevermore. And then we got POOPSiES, like jewelry holder, and it's you and me forever, and I just really like it. I like the ruffles on it. And the next thing I want to show you is Party Pop Teenies. I really wanted this. And now I finally have thing I'm gonna show you. Then the next, so they're like unicorn babies, and like they have these collectibles, and then like you can make slime, you could add magic, and then you could collect one of these, and there's a little tiny baby that you can feed the slime to. The next haul I'm gonna show you is the Dollar Tree haul. So the first thing I got is this container to like hold my slime. The second thing I got was another container to hold this one is to hold my slime supply. This one's to hold my containers of slime. I have this PJ Masks thing. That's the only one they had, but it's okay. And then I bought more, and I got Paw Patrol, more Paw Patrol. I got 4 containers of of Jot Glue and 2 little bottles of Tide to make the glue, to make the slime. Be doing decorating these, and this is gonna be for a future video. But I'm just gonna put like my jewelry and stuff in it, like rings, earrings, necklaces, stuff like that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'm going to be doing a separate video of the Poopsie unboxing. And I'm going to show you guys how to decorate your jewelry holders. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching.